Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. In this one I'm covering mental health out-of-area placements, which I almost forgot when I was doing the mental health bunch of videos earlier. This is a really good one. It's only one table, but it's got 4.7 million rows of data in it. So let's have a little look at what we've got in there. So you can see here the sort of data we've got. Lots of data broken down quite well and all in this one table, so you can all put it back together again in your reports. Here's a list of questions. I'll just page down here and you can pause the video to have a look at so you can see for yourself what sort of stuff we're getting. So that's that. And then if we look at the breakdown 1, so you get an idea from that. And breakdown 2. And breakdown 2 descriptions, a bit more detail there. Let's page down on that one. There's the breakdown 1 description, which is mostly organisations. There is a few other bits in there, but well, you can see that from what I'm looking at now. If you just ask for a free trial and query the data yourself, then you can see the whole lot. Thanks very much. Bye.